Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Why are there not more people talking about the benefits of quitting sugar for 30 days? Stay with us, and we'll answer this question by the end of the video. Well, you won't believe the shocking results I'm about to share with you. The transformation can be quite surprising. First off, let's talk about what sugar does to your body. It's important to understand the impact it has on our health. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain, mood swings, and even increase the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. It's not just about the calories, it's about the overall effect on your body. But what happens if you cut it out completely for a month? Let's dive into the day-by-day journey. Day 1, you might feel a bit off. This is completely normal as your body starts to adjust. Sugar is addictive, and your body is going to crave it. You might find yourself longing for that sweet fix. You might experience headaches or irritability. These are common withdrawal symptoms, but hang in there, because things are about to get interesting. The initial struggle is worth it. By the end of the first week, you'll notice your energy levels starting to stabilize. This is a significant change. Without the constant spikes and crashes from sugar, you'll feel more steady and alert throughout the day. Your productivity might even improve. No more 3 p.m. slump. That afternoon crash will be a thing of the past. Around the 2-week mark, something incredible happens. Your taste buds begin to change. Your taste buds begin to change. Foods that used to taste bland will start to have more flavor. Foods that used to taste bland will start to have more flavor. You might even find natural foods like fruits to be sweeter than you remember. You might even find natural foods like fruits to be sweeter than you remember. This can make healthy eating more enjoyable. By day 15, you'll likely see improvements in your skin. This is one of the most noticeable changes. Sugar can cause inflammation, leading to acne and other skin issues. Cutting it out can result in clearer, more radiant skin. Cutting it out can result in clearer, more radiant skin. Imagine waking up and seeing a healthier complexion in the mirror. Imagine waking up and seeing a healthier complexion in the mirror. It's a great confidence booster. 3 weeks into your sugar detox, you'll probably notice a change in your weight. This is often a welcome change. Without those extra sugary calories, your body begins to shed excess fat. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. You'll have more energy to do the things you love. Finally, by the end of the 30 days, you'll feel like a whole new person. The transformation is truly remarkable. You'll have more energy, better skin, and possibly even a slimmer physique. But most importantly, you'll have a healthier relationship with food. You'll start to appreciate the natural flavors and benefits of whole foods. Now, it's not just about the physical changes. Mentally, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. You took control of your diet and proved to yourself that you can make positive changes. That confidence can spill over into other areas of your life too. You might find yourself more motivated and inspired. So, are you up for the challenge? Give it a try and see how your body transforms in just 30 days. Document your journey and share your results. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. It's important to do this safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. Stay healthy and take care.